Welcome to the Fungi channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I like to make my monotubs with 4-inch holes and HEPA filters as my filtration to keep contaminants out and to also provide ample fresh air exchange. All of these items are easy to find and purchase, so you can be a beginner mycologist in your own home. I start with a 66 quart sterilite tub and I drill 4 4-inch holes using a 4-inch hole saw connected to a drill, approximately 2 inches from the top lip of the tub. When you're drilling, you want to be sure to hold the side of the tub as well as not to press too hard. If you press too hard, it will crack the sides. Not to worry, you can always put some tape over that. I try to hold it and use high drill speed and low pressure. I use sterilite as opposed to other brands because it has a clear top that later I'll need to use for a grow light. After having all 4 holes drilled, you then want to take 120 grit sandpaper and sand around the edges of your holes to make sure they're not sharp. I also vacuum out all the plastic debris from sanding as well as drilling. Once this is completed, I take a HEPA bag that I use for a meal vacuum cleaner, which filters out 99.9% of particles in the air. That includes bacteria, viruses, as well as any contaminants. And I place it over the hole and roughly measure out to make sure that the filter covers the entire hole. I then take a scissors, cut the filters, place them over the holes, and use tape, preferably I use duct tape, to go ahead and affix these filters over your holes. One vacuum bag provides enough filtration for 8 holes or 2 full monotubs. I then drill 3 1-inch holes using a 1-inch hole saw, approximately 3 inches from the bottom of the tub. What this does is provide fresh air exchange closer to the surface of the substrate. When mushrooms grow, they give off carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen, so it hangs lower near the surface of the substrate. These small holes allow for carbon dioxide to exit, while the larger holes provide oxygen to enter. Once your HEPA filters are affixed, your tub is ready as a fruiting chamber. But what I like to do is take a simple piece of saran wrap, place it over the outside of our filters, put 2 pieces of scotch tape to hold it on, and that stops any fresh air exchange and provides that same tub can be used for colonization first, while maintaining the correct moisture level. The idea is to get as many uses out of the same supplies as possible, one for space and also for cost. In the description, there are links below that show the supplies needed to make this easy monotub. That'll include a hole saw, which is 4 inches or 100 millimeters, HEPA filters from a vacuum bag, and the 66 quart sterilite tub. In the links above, there's a video of how to spawn to bulk using CVG, as well as a CVG recipe that I find to be ideal for growing mushrooms. There you go. You're ready to become a mycologist. With this easy-to-make monotub with fresh exchange HEPA filters to keep out contaminants. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and tell a friend. And until next time, keep laughing, loving, and shroomin'.